VTech VM350 Video Monitor In-Depth Reviews. This product has 4.4 stars based on 1750 ratings and 111 reviews. 83% of customers have overall ratings of 4 or 5 stars, while ratings of 1 or 2 stars accounting for 10% of all reviewers. Let's look at a recent positive review. It said exactly what I needed. Works great! Love the feature to turn the sound off besides for when it notices the baby crying. Is there anything the product needs to be improved on? Let's take a look at a critical review. Died after 6 months. This is an excellent video monitor while it works. We bought a second one a year after buying our first because we liked it so much and wanted to switch our second toddler into his own room. Unfortunately, 6 months in, the second unit has broken. The viewer will not turn on. We've tried replacing the batteries to no avail. It's expensive enough that I'm frustrated at the prospect of replacing it since we now rely on both units. That's it.
Worry less and enjoy a little more with the VM350 baby monitor from VTech. See your toddler play on the high-resolution 5-inch screen. And make sure he's comfy with built-in temperature alerts. You'll love knowing when he needs you, even with the sound turned off, thanks to the 5-level sound indicator. And can let him know you're on the way. With the VM350 from VTech, you can worry less and enjoy a little more.